Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at a French drain using store-bought Geo Fabric that was installed over 2 years ago. Take a look at how well this system actually works. I always found that the fabric actually slowed down the inflow of water into your system, and I have several videos showing you how slow the French drain works using this double-punched 4-ounce or 6 8-ounce fabric. Now let's try the same thing with PVC. Let's build this PVC drain. A quick note, the duct tape on top of the PVC is there to hold the lights, allowing us to see inside the pipe. So we dig the trench, we lay the fabric across the trench and pin it so that it stays down nice and tight in the trench. The next thing we do is we add a base of gravel. This is the most important part of this system, is the base of gravel. That allows that water to flood up into the pipe and the pipe will carry it away. When you're running PVC pipe for your French drain, you'll notice that there's holes on the bottom. Make sure these holes point down into that base of gravel. So we've got perforated pipe, holes point down into the trench. I've got my light set up. Can you see I got my battery? And the lights are set up inside. We're going to go ahead and cover this up with gravel. Now we cover the pipe with gravel. Fold the fabric back over the top and pin it. Finally, we will add the sod. This is how a French drain should work. And if you get the right materials and the right fabric, look at the difference it makes. Follow the instructions in this video, and I promise you that you will have a working French drain that will last a long, long time. Okay, here's that same area about 1.5 years later. I mean, you can even see that battery still laying there. Can you see how overgrown the area has become? But look at this, just in a small rainfall, it still works great. That Geo Fabric was bought at Lowe's, and you can find it at Home Depot as well. It is super strong. So before you start ordering things online from somebody telling you how bad other things are, take a look at this video. You know, down here in Florida, it's different. We have vines and weeds that are so strong that penetrate through everything. But they have not gotten into this system, nor has it obstructed any of the flow. Look at this. This little French drain was installed in an area where I don't maintain the yard very often, as you can see. But look at how well it still works. 1.5 years later, it's going to continue to work for many, many years. So if you're going to wrap that French drain in a geotextile fabric, please try this STA-GREEN.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.